Hey folks, a mild evening across the valley. Temperatures hovering in the mid-70s once again, well above average once again, and that part's not likely to change. We will cool off a couple of degrees the next couple of days, but that's about it. You dew points up in the upper 60s, so we're way up on the muggy meter. It is a humid night out there once again. Now, if you take a look at tonight's lows, we're not going to get below 70. We'll probably see a couple of showers show up later tonight, early tomorrow morning. It's been mainly quiet most of the day. A lot of clouds around. Showers off to the west of us much of the evening hours. Farther to the west tonight, some stuff up around Alice and Laredo, north of Zapata. Future track suggests we will see some rain between now and tomorrow night at this time. Some places could see up to an inch of rain. I think it's generally speaking much lighter than that. I think a bullseye someplace in the valley where somebody might pick up an inch, that's a possibility. But we go forward into Thursday, you notice the area just expands. Everybody sees a little more, and then going into Friday and we see a little more yet. Where that bullseye is tough to say. Earlier today it was showing it over the Harlingen-Brownsville area. Now you notice it's moved westward, but the bottom line is we think somebody in the valley could pick up some decent rain, but most places are looking at maybe an inch or less as we head all the way into Friday. This front is one of the main features helping to cause it. It's just north of us now, and it will stall on top of us tomorrow, and it'll be in the area, so it'll continue to trigger showers and perhaps even a thunderstorm on Thursday as a weak upward disturbance moves across in the flow. Well, as soon as that one's gone, here comes another one. So we continue to feed moisture in the upper atmosphere. We continue to have plenty of moisture here at the low levels, because the front never went through, so dry air doesn't get in, so we stay warm and humid into Friday, into Saturday, into Sunday. That disturbance moves by on Sunday, so we get a northerly flow for a little while, but even at that, there is yet another disturbance off to the west, and that one keeps the spotty shower threat in here for early next week as well. So we just don't see a pattern to bring an abundance of sunshine. Instead, we have at least a shot at rain each of the next 7 days, peaking Wednesday and Friday, but any day it's a possibility. Temperature-wise, we kind of hover around the normal, which is 78, 79 right now. Depends on where you are, but we're all within a few degrees of that each of the next few days. Around the rest of the country, pick a city. Maybe you've got a relative up north or something. You want to see what's going on where they are. Maybe you've got travel plans. Maybe you're a student from up north on spring break, and I'm sure you're watching the news tonight. 13 in Minot, 12 in International Falls. Other temperatures across the map. You can see what it's like in other parts of the nation. For us then tonight, skies stay mainly cloudy. Could be a spotty shower, a low of 70. Tomorrow back up to 80, mainly cloudy. Shower or thunderstorm is possible. Remember, if you want to look at radar and see where that rain is any time of day, you can go to the KRGV weather app, available for pretty much all the phones out there now, and you can see the 7-day forecast. You can see everything you need, but right here we will remind you that it's Saturday night, Sunday morning, that you set your clock forward 1 hour. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.